Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Vera and this channel is about beauty, hair, motherhood, lifestyle, health, just a little bit of everything. So if you're looking for a channel to grow your hair, improve your skin glow, or even improve as a mother or a woman, trust me, this channel is for you. Please go ahead and join the family. Click on the subscribe button below and turn your notification on. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to lose your 1-month-old cornrow or even more without cutting your hair. Remember, our aim in this channel is to grow long healthy hair without losing it. So I just uploaded a video and it's about the best way to make rice water for hair growth, and this is the cornrow that I made to experiment it for you guys. As you can see, it grew massively. I mean my hair. If you haven't watched that video, check my description box for the link. Okay, this is just 2 weeks plus since I used this method of rice water. So now I'm ready to lose the cornrow, and I thought why not use this opportunity and show you the best way to do it. So any day that I'm ready to lose my hair, what I do is apply leave-in conditioner to my hair night before the D-day, just to make sure that my hair is not dry. If you like, you can add oil too. Your hair will always cut once it's dry. Then the D-day, I first apply the conditioner again, just like that. Make sure to apply the leave-in conditioner all over your hair, and the reason why this is very necessary is because you want your hair to be soft so that it can easily detangle while you are losing the hair. I mean, even when you're combing it. When you're done with that, next thing is to lose the hair. Take your time, okay? Lose one, apply leave-in conditioner, then detangle with your fingers first before combing it with a detangling brush or comb, whichever one you prefer. Then make sure to comb from the tips to the roots gently. Very important, make sure that the hair is well detangled before going to the next one. Don't wait till you lose all the hair before combing it, because that's definitely going to cut a lot of hair and you won't even be able to detangle the roots of your hair. Just let me show you what I mean. If you are able to do exactly what I just showed you, you'll be surprised at the results. As you can see, there's almost no hair in the comb that I used to detangle my hair. Yeah. So I'm going to do the same thing to the next one. And then I'll go off camera and finish off with the rest. Then I'll be back to tell you what to do next. So now that we're all done, let's see how much hair is in the brush. Yeah. Can you see that? Not a lot of hair. That's it from combing all of my hair. You can see how thick and long and full my hair is, but that's all that came out. I hope that you start detangling your hair like this, because what we don't want in this channel is to grow our hair and lose it. Yeah. And when you follow these steps that I showed you, it will be so easy for you to brush the hair whenever you want. Then if you're ready to wash it that day, you can go ahead and treat it or just wash it. But if you don't want to, you can still apply more leave-in conditioner or even hair oil and rock your hair till you're ready to wash it. So in my next video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to use aloe vera for massive hair growth. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did. I hope that you learned something today. Please go ahead, click the subscribe button below if you haven't. Okay, turn your notification on. That's the most important one. Turn it on so you can know when I upload new videos. Also like and share this video. Take care of yourself, show more kindness wherever you are, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.